Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing product which is known as SATO Token. So here we are on the website and you can check out SATO Token. It's built on the base chain. Here you can check out their social media handles, X, Telegram, TikTok as well as Facebook. So before going further into the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So here we are back on the website and you can check out the details such as the SATO is decentralized meme coin born on Base network and originally launched with minimum utility beyond its meme value. After a period of abandonment by the original developers, the product was revived by a passionate community of holders who refused to let SATO fade into the obscurity. So you can check out, it has a long history, it has a story behind this product. So this product is looking really good. Down here you can check out the SATO token. SATO is designed to be clean and fair with no hidden mechanics or unfair allocations. It's pure meme coin entirely owned by the people. You can check out the network space. Mint function is none. Ownership is renounced. Total supply is 100% into circulation. Taxes are none. Temp wallets are no. You can check out the contract address has been given here. Also you can buy it on Uniswap. So let's go to the Uniswap and here you can see we can buy it using different types of currencies. So for example we can enter 10 here and you can check out how much you can get in SATO token. So this is really simple, just had to come here, connect and then convert. So now let's coming back to the website. You can check out CoinGecko as well as Coin Market Cap. Links of SATO token are already available here, so make sure you check it out. Also you can check out their gallery is right on the website, so make sure you watch these images as well. It has a really amazing gallery, so make sure you watch it as well. Down here you can check out their NFT feature is also available. Originally around 5,000 NFTs were launched by the old team. After everything that happened, they have decided to create a new 100-piece limited collection dedicated to the loyal holders who stood by SATO and are helping rebuild this product. You can check out the NFTs are available here and also you can explore it on the OpenSea as well. Also down here you can check out, they have already answered all of the frequently asked questions that are coming in your mind, such as what is SATO, where you can trade SATO, what is the official contract address, what are NFTs, what is Wolf Deutsch, and everything are already answered by them. So if you have any question coming in your mind, you can come to their website and check it out here. You can also check some more details in their white paper as well. So guys, make sure you participate into this product at early stages. This product has a lot of potential, so also you can do some on research as well. This video is for educational purposes. Make sure you join their social media handles as well. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon, so till then take care and have a nice day.